process is an abusive process, and it was refused.
Okay.
There's no apparent bias in the decision of the Solicitor General. The fact she's a dedicated Zionist is irrelevant. She put it to one side. These are the fictions the British justice system is expert in. The court must not be used as a sounding board for political opinion.
So then why have you dragged us here then?
Yes.
Oh, well, that's because I'm in.
Tony has come out of court now, Kathy.
So what's happening?
So it hasn't been adjourned, Tony?
Not yet, no. No, she's trying to contact the Court of Appeal office or the registrar to find out if a single judge could
Tony's out,
expedite
he's
matters.
talking. Tony's here.
So
Go on.
no decision at the moment.
No
Come on
decision
then.
at the moment. Yeah, 2 o'clock. Yeah. Well, the Director of Public Prosecutions has to give consent to the prosecution.
Why?
Because it's laid down in statute, in law.
The charges are elected
No, they have to do it because it's stipulated in the Terrorism Act. But it also stipulates that where a foreign state is involved, the Attorney General or the Solicitor General must also give permission for the prosecution to go ahead. Section, I think, 117A of the Terrorism Act.
Okay.
Our argument was that Sarah Sackman, being a vehement Zionist who says the centre of her life is in Israel, that she might have a slight bias in terms of the prosecution, especially since the Jewish Labour movement pushed for my expulsion from the Labour Party, and she attacked me in an article in the Jewish News by name. However, the judge believes that she can put all of those things to the side when she acts in a quasi-judicial process. So this is one of the fictions of the British legal system when they want to. It operates on fictions, namely that it's neutral, has no class bias. The prosecution was purely on legal grounds. The fact that no one who's a Zionist has ever been prosecuted supporting the genocide is completely irrelevant. So, I mean, once you maintain all of these fictions, then you can go ahead and prosecute Palestine solidarity activists. I mean, this is the basis of the legal system that we have, of course, because they deny genocide, and as long as they deny the genocide and support the Israeli state to the extent that they do, then anything is possible. So, I mean, that is what we're up against, and what I have to do and my defence team have to do is to get across to the jury, really, that October the 7th did not happen out of the blue. It wasn't something that started on October the 7th. It was a product of 57 years of occupation. And that I'm accused of supporting Hamas or inviting support because I support the Palestinian resistance, I have to say the two are not the same. I support the principle of resistance, not the politics of the individual components of that resistance. And that is an important argument. And the idea that if you support resistance, therefore you support a particular group, is really a non sequitur, to be quite honest. But that will be what their arguments are. They want to channel it into support for Hamas. Of course, Hamas isn't a terrorist group any more than any other resistance group or national liberation movement is. But according to the Terrorism Act, any act of resistance against colonialism is automatically terrorism. Yeah?
So when would the jury appear?
Your guess is as good as mine. I'm afraid I can't give you any further clue on that. I simply don't know.
So what, you know what the process will be now?
I don't. After 2 o'clock, the judge will meet and issue her ruling. The odds are that it will be adjourned, but I can't say further than that. Okay?
So there's been no jury so far?
No, the jury's been sent home for the day, the panel, so there won't be any jury in panel today, regardless. So I think the trial will be delayed, but I can't say for certain.
No, sure.
Yeah, I can't second guess what they will do. Well, I'm not sure what she's got planned or plotted, but she's desperately trying to get hold of the Court of Appeal office.
Yeah.
She wants to hurry the trial on if she can, but I think she's running out of options, but we'll see.
Happy birthday, Englishman.
Thank you very much. It was a few days ago, I have to say. 72. 72 years young. Almost a child, yes. Yes. Very true, Sam.
If they adjourn it, it's unlimited. It depends on the other case.
I just don't know. She wants it hurried, but I think her options are running out. But I think she wants it over as quickly as possible.
What sort of similarities, Tony, between Uda and is it Uda and Laura's
Uda and
case?
Laurie.
What's the similarities between her case and yours? Is it?
Well, Uda's is a judicial review against the prescription of Palestine action.
Yeah.
That was a challenge to the legality of it. It
Yeah.
won't affect my case,
Oh.
or only tangentially,
Right.
because that is an entirely different legal process. Yeah, this is not judicial review, this is a criminal trial.
Because we thought that somebody said that the adjournment, law adjournment, might be to do with that case because
No,
it's
not
under
that
information,
case.
but it wasn't that.
No, it's ABDN. It's a woman called Haneen Bourguti in Brighton who was arrested on the 7th of October or gave a speech, and that's gone to the Supreme Court and two very limited issues. So, yeah, so it's nothing to do with Bourguti.
Your case is what? The case you're waiting on is what?
Is ABDN, I think it is, versus the DPP. It's gone to the Supreme Court, which met on the 20th of December, but was yet to give judgment. And that's about proportionality and infringement of free speech and all that. I don't expect it to be very positive, but...
Have you written about that case?
No, I haven't actually. No, I haven't. You can find it on the internet. I think it's ABN or ABDN. You'll be able to search it. It's a Haneen Bourguti is the woman in question. Mike Mansfield is defence.
Okay.
GC, AC.
Will you be allowed to write about today's proceedings?
Within reason. Within reason. Thank you very much for coming. Don't apologise, please. Thank you everyone for coming. Don't freeze or whatever you do.